friends, this is the aptitude number 5 part 2. We are just talking about the permutation and combination. Okay, my request to everyone that please, if you are just preparing for the competitive exam, then for any exam just like IAS, PCS, IIT-JEE, NET, CAT, CDS, GRE or placement, okay, this is very important. We are solving only that questions. These questions, it has asked many times in many competitive exam. My request also to everyone that please share to your friends, okay, so to encourage us, so we will upload more videos, okay, for your better future. Thank you. Okay, now the question number first, find the number of words formed with the letters of the word daily. This time you have this letters, okay, this word daily, which begins with D and ends with I, has the letter L always in the middle and begins with D and ends with I. So now this time you have total number of 5 boxes. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4, 5. So you have 5 boxes. It means that you have to arrange these letters. Okay, you have to arrange these letters in this box. It means that you will use permutation. Okay, so D, E, L, H, I. Okay, maybe the first question is begin with D. If it is beginning with D, it means that these letters it can be rearranged. Maybe L it can come here, maybe H it can come here, I it can come here, E it can come here. So how many? But D is fixed. Your D is fixed. So there is only one possibility. You are 1P1, but here in these boxes, this box number, these boxes, total number of letters are 4. Out of 4 you have to place 1 in this box. Out of, so total number of letters are 5. 2 you have placed. So there are 3P1. This is 2P1 and this is 1P1. Okay, these are 4, 3. This already we have explained that NP1 is equal to N. Okay, so this is 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is your answer. Okay, case number 2. Case number 2, end with I. If he has written end with I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to fix I here. So how many different letters you have? 5. Out of 5, 1 you have fixed. So there are 4. There are 4 and 4 you have to place. So this is 4P1. This is 3P1. This is 2P1 and this is 1P1. Now you have to multiply. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is your answer. Very simple. Question number 3. Question number 3, has the letter L always in middle? Question number 3, has the letter always in middle? Okay, so L is middle. It means that there are total number of 5 letters. Out of 5 letters you have to place in these boxes these letter. 1 letter you have fixed. So out of 5, 1 is fixed. So you have 4. It means that 4P1. This is 3P1. This is 2P1 and this is 1P1. So your answer is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, very simple. Question number 4. Now he is telling us begin with D. Begin with D. D is fixed and end with I. I is fixed. So you have total number of 3 boxes. In 3 boxes you have to place these 5 letters. But 4 letters are fixed. So you have only 3 letters. So you have to arrange 1 here and 1 here and 1 here. Very simple. 3 into 2 into 1. This is your required answer. Okay, I think that you are getting. Okay, now question number 2. How many words can be formed with the letter of word international? So this time you have INTERNAT, IONAL. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are total number of 13 letter. 13 letter you have to place in 13 box. Okay, So if all the letters are different, so in this case your answer is 13 factorial. If all the letters are different, okay, suppose there are 13 girls and 13 girls you have to place in this room. These are the rooms. So in this condition, total number of ways to place the 13 girls in these rooms is 13 factorial. This is your required answer. But in this problem we can see this I, it is repeating. I is also here, and there is no I, okay, there is also I. So I, it has come 2 times, so we will remove this I, okay. Now you can see that N, this N and this N and this N, it has come 3 times, so we will remove this one, okay. Now T, it has come here, T it has come here, T it has come 2 times, so we will remove this one. Now E, no, and R, it has also repeated 2 times, so we will remove this one. This is your required answer. Very, very simple. If all the letters are different, then this is your answer. Otherwise, if the letters are repeated, then you have to remove the repeated letters. This is your answer. Now question number 3. In how many ways can 4 boys and 5 girls be seated in a row so that they are alternate? It means that this is the boy and this is the girl. They will sit, girl and girl, they will not sit together, okay. So if there is a boy, then there is a girl, then there is a boy, this condition, okay. So he is asking how many ways you can place this total number of girls and boys. So how will you solve it? So in this condition, I will again use the box arrangement. We are just thinking at first I have placed the girl, then after then boy, then after then girl, then after then boy, then after then girl, then after then boy, then after then girl, then after then boy, then girl. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 girls and 4 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you have placed already. So how many boxes are? 9 boxes. No problem. So in this condition, your total number of ways is equal to 5 factorial. Okay. 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Why? Because this box it is fixed for girl. This box it is fixed for girl. This box it is also fixed for girl. This box it is also fixed for girl. This box is also fixed for girl, and other boxes are fixed for boys. So in this box we have total number of 5 girls. Out of 5 you have to place 1, then out of 4 you have to place 1, then out of 3 you have to place 1, then out of 2 you have to place 1, then out of 1 you have to place 1. Similarly, 4 boys, out of 4 you have to place 1, then out of 3 you have to place 1, then out of 2 you have to place 1, then out of 1 you have to place 1. Now multiply. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, this is 5 factorial, and 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, this is 4 factorial. And your answer is equal to 5 factorial is equal to 120, and 4 factorial is equal to 4, 3 is 12, 12 is 24. 24, and your answer it is 2880. Very, very simple. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, I am solving here. Question number 4. Question number 4 is there are 4 boys and 4 girls. Okay, this is a different question. Okay, there are 4 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways can be seated in a row so that all the girls do not sit together? This is also same question. This is boy, this is girl. Okay, this is girl. So the boy he will sit here. Okay, so 2 girls you cannot place. Okay, together. So in this condition I am using a different method to solve it. I am using total number of boxes are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we are thinking I have placed the 4 girls here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have placed all the girls together. Let, okay, so all girls are here. All girls are here. Okay, so let we are thinking this is one box only. Okay, this is one box. All the girls are I have placed here. So the remaining boxes for the boys, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number of boxes are 5. Okay, total number of boxes are 5. So in this condition, your answer it is your answer. Okay, the condition number 1. So your answer. Also in these boxes, the girls also they can arrange also. If there is a girl, there is a B girl, there is a C girl, there is a D girl, then the girl also, she can also sit here, she can also sit here, she can also sit here. So there are total number of how many wages? There are total number of, and for the boys, for this condition, how many wages? Because this girl, this box, it can also place here, 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 and this also, all the boxes can place here and there. So there are total number of 5 boxes, all are different. So this is 5 factorial. And this is the 4 boxes. So number of ways to arrange the 4 girls in this box, that is 4 factorial. Okay. So your answer is 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay. Already we have solved this one. This is okay. This is okay. No problem. Okay. Now the question he is asking. Okay. Now the question number 2. Question number 2 is if these all boys and girls are different, suppose in this condition total number of possible arrangement is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 factorial. Okay, this is the overall. Okay, so in this condition your answer he is asking, in how many ways can they be seated in a row so that all girls do not sit together? This is they sit together. This is for sit together. So do not sit together. Total condition minus this condition. Sit together. Okay. This is your answer. This is the best method to solve. If you want to just reduce the time during exam. Okay. And if you will place one by one, then this is very difficult. Okay. So this is the best method. So now the question number 5. This is the last question. In the last question, he is asking how many different words can be formed with the letter of word equation. This time you have equation E, Q, U, A, T, I, O, N. You have equation. So how many boxes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total number of 8 boxes. So if we are thinking all the letters are different. If all the letters are different, then the total number of cases is 8 factorial. Very simple. Okay. So, but he is asking the letters of the word equation without changing the relative order. In this question, we have to not change the relative order. Okay. Of vowels and consonant. So we do not have change the order of vowels and consonant. In this condition, this is a very important question. This question it has asked in your IAS exam. Okay. So now how to solve this one? At first you have to check how many vowels are here. E is the vowel, U is the vowel, A is the vowel, I is the vowel, and O is the vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and all the vowels are placed here. These are the consonant. These are the consonant. These are the consonant. So there are total number of 3 consonant and 5 vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So these order it will not change. Okay. Consonant and vowels order it will be not change. So in this condition your E and A and I and O, these vowels they can interchange. Okay, and consonant they can interchange. So your answer it will be 5 factorial into 3 factorial. How? Consonant, this is the consonant and this is also consonant. This is consonant, this is consonant, this is consonant. These consonant they can be arranged Okay, Q can be come here, T can be come here, N can be come here. So these Q, T and N, they can arrange. Okay, so in this box you cannot place Q. Okay, he is asking the consonant, the consonant position and the vowel position, it will be not rearranged. Okay, the order it will be same. So this Q, T and N, they can arrange. Okay, they can shift from here to here, here to here, here to here. And similarly for this vowel O, it can be placed here, 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 anywhere. Similarly for other vowels. So in this condition, there are total number of 5 vowels. Out of 5 vowels, you have to place 1. Total number of 5 vowels, 1 vowels you have placed here. So there are 4 possibilities, 4P1, and this is 3P1, and this is 2P1, and this is 1P1. Now, for this question, you have total number of 3 consonant. Okay, out of 3 you have to place 1, and for this box, out of their total number of 3 constant, 1 you have placed here. So this is 2P1 and this is 1P1. So 3 into 2 into 1, that is 3 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 5 factorial. So this is your required answer. I think that you got. Okay. My request to everyone that please share to your friends, please. Okay, if you want to get success. Okay, thank you so much.